Monday, time to talk technology, and our tech expert, Luis Alvarez, the CEO of the Alvarez Technology Group, is joining us just 9 days ahead of Christmas. Luis, welcome back.
Yes, welcome, my friend. I'm just concerned about not getting everything done between now and Christmas.
It's the same thing every year, isn't it?
It is. I'm a procrastinator, so it's double whammy for me.
You're going to have less time to put on your Santa suit and do your thing.
Yeah, exactly.
Go out and help the local economy, I guess is what it comes down to. But today we want to talk about Signal, which is an encrypted messaging app. And there's something really interesting about Signal that makes it so different from almost every other app that we use. And it's that when you sign up for it, they don't ask for a ton of information from you, which is very, very unusual.
Yeah, the Signal app is becoming much more popular because, one, it's a completely encrypted messaging app from end to end, very similar to WhatsApp. But the difference is that the Signal Foundation, which owns the app, is a nonprofit. So they don't charge money for it. They don't monetize the use of the app. So they're not looking to capture any information like Facebook, who owns WhatsApp, does. And they are dedicated to providing a platform that is completely free of any sort of privacy concerns for their users. And that's becoming a bigger and bigger issue. We talked a couple of weeks ago about the fact that the FBI has warned people that because of the Chinese intrusion into our telecom companies, that communications on traditional cell phones that are using text that aren't encrypted are being intercepted and being reviewed by the Chinese, even though the telecom companies are trying to get rid of that problem. But in the meantime, the FBI is recommending that you use an encrypted app. And Signal has become really, really popular, especially with a lot of cybersecurity folks. My team uses it internally to communicate, and it's just a pretty cool option. And if you don't want to use WhatsApp or some of the other ones that are out there.
How do they make money?
They have a foundation that pays for everything. So basically, it's a nonprofit that has a big pile of money that they use to fund their operations, so they don't need to monetize anything.
That's Luis Alvarez, CEO of the Alvarez Technology Group, joining us today on Power Talk. Online, you'll find them at alvareztg.com, at alvareztg. That's the Twitter or X handle. And Luis, the toll-free number for the I-Team.
And give us a call at 866-78-I-TEAM. That's 866-784-8326.